Hey everybody, Seth Waller here with Dipsurance.com. Dipsurance is the only life insurance comparison service built just for tobacco users. So what we allow you to do is you can instantly compare life insurance rates from companies that will offer you, as a dipper or chewer, a non-tobacco rating. And that's important because most dippers out there, if they've got life insurance, they're currently paying a tobacco rate for it, which is way too much money. So if you dip, if you chew tobacco, if you snus, if you dip snuff, tobacco pouches or plugs, we can definitely save you money on your life insurance premiums. And that's because, unfortunately, most tobacco users, chewers, are paying expensive rates for term life insurance. And just so you know, tobacco rating is typically going to be about between 2 and 4 times more expensive than a non-tobacco rating for the same person. So what most companies will do, they'll just classify you as a tobacco user. They're going to lump dippers and chewers and smokers. They're going to lump everyone in the one category, which they define as smokers. And what that does, again, is it more than doubles your life insurance premiums. And the sad truth about this is most dippers, and even life insurance agents for that matter, they don't know that there are several life insurance companies out there that will offer smokeless tobacco users a non-tobacco rating. That's right, so you can get a non-tobacco rating as a dipper. So what I want to do now is show you how to get non-tobacco rates on your life insurance using our 2-step process. Step 1 is really simple. It's, just simply get a non-tobacco quote. And the key here is to find a company that will offer you non-tobacco rates. So as long as you don't smoke, there are companies out there that are okay with your smokeless tobacco use. They're completely fine with it. So simply enter your information on one of our quoters on our website, on this blog post, on the homepage, anywhere you can find a quoter just to get started. What I did here is, in this example, it was a 30-year-old Skull user. He wanted a 20-year term policy for $250,000. So just enter that, get started, very easy. It'll bring you to the next page where you just enter some basic information that we need for an accurate quote. And from there, you can view all your tobacco rates, all the non-tobacco rates. What you see for this example here was there was 2 companies that would offer a non-tobacco rating. You can see the monthly premium and also the annual premium. And basically, once you have this free quote, you can look at it and decide, do you want to apply? If so, we're going to help you apply without hassles. We're going to make it really easy. Or if not, if you're still thinking about it and just kind of want the information to get a good idea of the cost, that's okay too. You can always reach back out to us, request more information if you need to. And then, let's say, for example, that you do apply. What we're going to do then is qualify your health. And this is important, and this is the extra step that we take to make sure you get the best rate. So, for everyone that's in perfect health, that means no medications, no medical conditions, no family history of disease or death before 60. You just can simply go ahead and apply, and we'll send it right through as a preferred rating. If not, what we're going to have to do is go this extra step. And just so you know, a preferred rating and the perfect health is less than 10% of all people out there, because most of us have at least a little something going on. So if you do, that's okay. What we'll do is, we'll just go ahead and have you apply. We'll follow up via text, email, or phone, your preference. And what we're going to try to do is get some of your information, some of the medical history, some things about your situation where we can find the most favorable company for you. And basically, we're going to do this in a 3-step process. You're going to pre-qualify and do it in an anonymous way. So there's no information that identifies you. Then we'll receive tentative offers from these companies, and then you'll have no surprises. And if you want to apply, we'll just stick it right on and kind of detail on all these. The anonymous pre-qualification, what we do is to complete the pre-qualification letter on your behalf, everything but your name. So it's, they don't know who you are. They just can see your health and lifestyle, and we send it to all these companies. And the way we do this, and this is really our job, and this is the extra step, is we sell your situation to all these insurance underwriters. We craft a nice cover letter explaining your situation, your lifestyle, and we try to paint a very favorable picture where they can, it's just an extra step that is needed in this situation, and not many agents will do this, but for lower premiums is absolutely necessary. From there, we'll receive tentative offers back. So each company will either make an offer, or they'll decline the anonymous application. And what we do is review all these offers and present you with the best one. And from there, you get to make the decision. You can review all the offers and decide if you'd like to go ahead and apply. And if so, it's pretty easy. We just take that tentative offer that they gave us and attach it to your official life insurance application. So now it's saying basically, hey, this person right here that's in this type of health has been approved, and we attach it to yours. And as long as your medical records and lab results confirm everything that you've told us, you get that rate. So pretty easy. That's kind of an overview of how to get non-tobacco rates for if you dip or chew tobacco. It's pretty easy. This is what we do. This is our expertise, and we're ready to help you save money. So what I'd like you to do now is just go ahead and find out how much a smokeless tobacco quote is going to be. Feel free to use one of the quoters on our website on dipsurance.com. Get the quote, and then from there you can take that information and use it however you want. Choose to apply, choose just to think about it, whatever you want to do. And if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to me or Brian, and we'll get back to you and help you in any way we can. All right, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.